Welcome back everybody for another episode of the Digestion Diaries. I'm in the office today and I just wanted to broadcast something about this article that a patient emailed to me just a couple days ago about what a hunter-gatherer diet does to the body in just 3 days. It was from a CNN health article by Tim Spector and Wednesday, July 5th, 2017. If you want to read the whole article, what I wanted to do is give you a summary and how it pertains to digestion. So what these people, the Hadzas do, H-A-D-Z-A, is they've been living the same lifestyle for hundreds of thousands of years. They're one of the last people that are still living the exact same way they did hundreds of thousands of years ago, hunting and gathering food, eating a mix of fermented foods and what they can find. And what is interesting about these people is the Human Biome Project has been studying them because the microbiome that they have is extremely diverse. So what the heck does that mean to you? Well, the microbiome is basically the word that describes all the bugs that live in and on our body. Now that might sound disgusting to you, but we have these little microbes, little bacteria, protozoa, yeasts, funguses and molds even, parasites that live in our body and on our body, and most of them, the vast majority of them, are symbiotic with us. That means they work with us and they want us to survive and even thrive. They help us to break down our food and break down the undigested fibers from the foods we eat. They help to create nutrients like vitamin K in our body, and we need these things to survive. And research has really shown that the more diverse these species are within the body, so the more types of different species you have, the healthier you're going to be. Now, the standard American diet does not compare to the Hadza diet, and it tends to be that the diet rich in a lot of fibers and vegetables and fruits that are local and that are unprocessed, some meats and just a wide variety of foods gives you a very diverse microbiome, and that makes you healthy. So how does it pertain to you out there with digestion issues? Well, one of the things people learned about is taking probiotics, good friendly bacteria that belong in our gut. You can take them in powders or in pills. I go about this in other digestion diaries, but what I want you to do is make sure that you're eating a diverse, plant-heavy diet that feeds the prebiotics, the food for these probiotics, into you, and have less processed food. And then every single time you take a probiotic, I want you to finish off the bottle and start a new one. I like people taking high doses of 1 or 2 or 3 strains of these good friendly bugs, and then every couple months switching to a different strain. Of course, you can stick to one if it really makes you feel good for a longer period of time. Every few months you want to experiment with yourself and try a new brand. Find a doctor that has something special for you. I use about 12 different probiotics within the office, and I experiment with people to see which one they work best with, and I like to cycle them on and off. So if you improve your microbiome by finding the right foods to eat, by finding the right probiotics, you will have a more diverse microbiome and you'll be healthier. I hope I didn't say the word microbiome too many times and you get something out of this, but that's just a little snippet of the day. Have a great one.